In today's class we will be learning the topic, home appliances. Home appliances are referred to as those things and instruments we use at home that enable us to live a comfortable life. They are the instruments, equipment, or materials we use at home to ease our work or make life more comfortable. Home appliances can be electrical or mechanical devices. Some home appliances and their uses. Clothes dryer. It is an appliance that dries clothes by passing heated air through a revolving drum while the wet clothes tremble. Dishwasher. This is a kitchen appliance that automatically washes, rinses, and dries dishes and utensils. Microwave oven. This is an appliance that uses electromagnetic energy to heat and cook foods. Stove. This is an appliance used to generate heat to cook food. Some stoves make use of kerosene, gas, and some are powered by electricity. Toaster. This is a kitchen appliance that uses electrical heat to toast bread and other foods. Electric iron. This is used for ironing clothes to make them smooth. Electric kettle. It is used for boiling water. Blender. This is an electric machine that is used to mix liquids and soft foods together. Refrigerator. A large piece of electrical kitchen equipment, shaped like a cupboard, used for keeping foods and drinks cool. Dangers of the wrong uses of appliances. Safety risks. Misusing appliances can cause burns, fractures, and dislocations, jeopardizing personal safety. Fatal consequences. Incorrect use of electrical devices may lead to the loss of life, emphasizing the importance of following safety guidelines. Property hazards. Appliances used improperly may trigger fires or explosions, posing a threat to both property and life. How electrical home appliances can be wrongly used. Unsafe handling. Plugging in electrical home appliances with wet hands poses a risk of electric shock. Faulty usage. Using malfunctioning electrical home appliances can lead to safety hazards and accidents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.